Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 464. Now, this is midday stock recap. We're going to be talking about some stocks that are moving: CLPS, Load, Tesla. Someone just hit total. We'll put it on the list. Total. Again, guys, thank you for joining me today for this awesome stock recap. Again, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Links also in the description, guys. Thank you for being here. Gavin, hi. Gines, hi. Tristan, Daniel Luna, thank you all for being here, guys. Quick stream. Gavin did hit me with a request pre-stream to do Tesla. I will look at Tesla. I'll just do CLPS Load and then Tesla right after, right? So I do have Tesla open. I might actually just start with Tesla because it's already there. Now I was looking at it because I was checking their call that we had for Tesla, right? So for Tesla, we have some strong bearish divergence. For potential action to the downside, we did move down, hit that 20. We had created some hidden divergence here, hidden bullish, right? And with that hidden bullish, we did take a small pop, failed to get higher than the previous high, and thus we started to drop. Then I was looking at some divergence from here to slightly higher point. That hasn't played out, right? We're still dropping. So on that account, we're still trying to hold on to some kind of hidden bullish divergence. But again, like I said, hidden bullish is finicky, right? It doesn't necessarily have to trigger. It means potential action to the upside, or at least sideways motion. We've gotten some of that sideways motion happening already. And we're trying to figure out what's going to happen with Tesla. Now, Tesla right now, neutral at 45.54 on the other side. Can we do fibs? I mean, I don't think even minor fibs would work because this is so high, man. It hasn't really done any strong pullback. So if I consider this to be the low, right, local low, and this local high, are we making a valid retrace? That would be the question, right? And we could say that we're hitting that 236 on a wick, but we're really not dipping below it. We're not making a retrace to that 382. So Tesla's not making a valid retrace by any means, right? There we are. So Tesla, no valid retrace. Interesting, right? The last thing we had was this bullishness. It pumped on that, then created that bearishness, dropped slightly, then slightly higher. So this could all track as one bearish divergence. But again, bearish divergence right against MACD and RSI moving down on that. We called that out a while back, right? A couple days ago. We called that out probably when it happened on the 26th or the 27th or somewhere around that area. So does it matter? Cryptos for life. Right now is the stock edition, man. It is the stock edition of State of Crypto. We're just doing stocks. Let's go Tesla on the weekly. On the weekly, I think we also had some bearishness in Tesla. Yeah, we had some bearish divergence, right? Look at that. High, higher high, and then high to low, right? Even from back here, high to low on the weekly. So again, ignore some of this stuff. It's from the daily. Just the one that we really care about is this latest one, right? This one here. High, higher high, and then high to low here, right? On the weekly. So bearish divergence. Action to downside. We're flagging, right? By no means right now, this will look like we're going to dump. Could it come? Yeah, where could it go? The 20 moving average would be the primary target. Again, that's sitting at 633.47. It is quite a big drop from Tesla. We're talking about 100 change dollars, right? $150 drop maybe. So again, could it drop there? Yeah. If you're worried about it, I would say set up a stop loss. If not, right now it's flagging. It's not looking bad. It's just consolidating, right? A little bit down sloping, slightly sideways, but again, consolidation nonetheless. It's not the prettiest looking consolidation. I'm going to go with the wicks here. Go with something like this, and then I'm going to use the other wicks here to go with something like this. So slightly down sloping, flagging nonetheless, but not too bad, right? Oh, total market cap, Genius. All right, cool. I'm not going to look at total market cap right now, though. I might if we don't have any other stocks to talk about, but I don't have a lot of lineup right now. It's just CPLS, Load, and Tesla. That's it. So if other stocks come through, I might look at those. But if not, I mean, we can always switch to crypto. You know, it is a midday stock recap, and you know, it's basically whatever you guys want to look at for stocks. I don't have my positions that I have open; they're still open. So let's keep rolling. Again. That's it for Tesla on the weekly. Again, there is some strong bearish divergence. There's nothing bullish happening right now. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high, right? If we drop to at 20, we could create some more hidden bullish. Maybe try to get another rally, but hidden bullish is not what we want to have. We want to have some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. However, that drop will give us some fib retraces happening here. That could be something that we could look forward to, right? Look, if we go from low, right, you can see that to be the local low and this local high over here. Consider this over here, local low. It's a local high. That retrace to a 20 moving average does hit the 236. and gives us valid retrace, right? So keep looking for Tesla to retrace a little bit before it tries to pump again. Again, some bearish divergence, that's it. Daily, like I said, right? That's that. Well, we can even go to the 4 hour. I just have to hide the extended market real quick. Try to get a better read. Because extended market is good when you're looking at short term, right, for day trading. But right now in the 4 hours, it does bring in a lot of noise. Plus all those bars make it really hard to see the graph. So let's see, high to low. All right, so on Tesla 4 hour, we do have some strong bullish divergence, right? For potential actually the upside. Lower, all right. Low, lower, low. I'm not gonna go to the 1 hour for Tesla. I don't think we need to go that low. We're getting some definition here for strong bullish divergence. That could bring that motion to the upside, right? Again, kind of coincided with the hidden bullish, and we might try to see a small pump happening. The 4 hour pump could be reflected on the daily 1 day, 2 days, 3 days ahead, right? I mean, the market's not open that long. It's just like 2 4 hour sessions. So we might see it play out in the next couple days. We might go up and hit that 20 at 828. That could be a possibility, right? Is there something bearish? Yeah, there was something bearish back here. Low to high on the 4 hour, right? High to negative, right? And then high to low as well. The strong bearish divergence, action and downside. Try to bounce, failing to get higher in the previous high. Now we have strong bullish on the 4 hour, right? Let's see if we can get the strong bullish to materialize into a rally. Again, not 100% confident on that. Here in stocks, we do tend to look more at the daily and the weekly, particularly for stocks that have some history, or when you're looking at a longer position to trade, right? Stock short, like, you know, day trading, you want to go to the 5 minute, the 1 hour chart, which is what we're going to do for CLPS and load. But for Tesla, I believe when you're trading Tesla, you're more looking for a long-term gain than a short-term gain. So the 4 hour, well, it could give us an indication of price action to the upside, and the daily could have some hidden bullish divergence. We need to wait to see if it's going to play out, right? Look at the 4 hour, man. The 4 hour, from here to here, we also had some hidden bullish, right? And then we did take that pop, right? So from here to here, and that from here to here, and from here to here, right? This I just drew. I'll put a circle here, right? So you know what we're talking about. And I'll make sure that the circle goes onto the, it's not the prettiest circle I know. It wants to go on drawing, but let's go with this one. Dude, I don't want to draw anymore. I just want that circle to go into the 4 hour. It is great. Sorry, I need to go into the daily. There we go. Beat saying buy the deep. Yeah, man, buy the dip. So, see that circle on the 4 hour? I'm gonna go to the daily. Same area, right? Again, except this move here. It would have been when we were going from here to here, right? Low to high, and then negative, more negative. So we had that hidden bullish divergence here on the 4 hour and the daily, right? To this point. We have this bearish divergence still there. Right? This strong bearish divergence is on the daily and the 4 hour, right? It just happens to be we're finding congruency within the charts, and that gives us a little bit more power for it to play. So again, here, and right now we're creating that strong bullish, and that is fine. Again, nothing wrong with that. Doing good. If we wanted to track this divergence against the RSI, we could, right? Come on, I'm trying to delete some stuff that I accidentally did here. There we go. Small dots that are chilling there, man. That's that. Awesome. So, on the RSI, if you wanted to track this from low to here, you could just extend that line to there, right? It's still creating that hidden bullish, and it will be congruent with what we have on the 1 hour, that hidden bullish divergence that could start to put some pressure from the 4 hour and the daily and manifest a small potential rally on Tesla. We'll see. I'm not sure yet if we're going to go higher than the previous high, right? We need to get higher than the previous high here at whatever this closing was. $883.09. Right now, that's there, man. Veet saying, in my opinion, strong bound. Tesla dip. Yeah. In your opinion, the divergence played out? It's going to go crazy? I mean, the bearish divergence is moving us to the downside, right? I'm not sure if that's done yet. I mean, we don't have any strong bullish. We just have the hidden bullish. It could be, right? Bitcoin all-time high right now? Really? Is it going to all-time highs? It is a stock edition, but let's check, man. I don't think we're at all-time highs, but I'll just, 51. Awesome. 51,600. Are we at all-time highs? I'll go real quick to Bitcoin. Yeah, all-time highs, man. So we did hit all-time highs. Very close to them. All right, let me go to Tesla still. I'll go back to Bitcoin and celebrate in a second, guys. Again, this is addition for the stocks, but since we got to all-time highs on Bitcoin, there we go. Hype in the chat. Thank you all for being here. That's it for Tesla. right? I wish I would have something more to look at here. There's not a lot of things to look at, right? Could we draw support lines and resistances? Yes, we could try to draw some support lines. The thing is, look, if there were to be a support line here, right, somewhere around this area, we're too far from it right now, so it wouldn't apply for this, right? The next support line I would be looking for at Tesla would be maybe something around here, right? Look, but we already broke it on the bearish divergence, right? So we're confirming, right? Look, support, 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 and then we broke it. So we're confirming the bearish divergence is in play. And we could still move farther down on that confirmation. I'm just going to leave that here right now for Tesla. So switch this to the blue color and say, look, Tesla's confirming this. What do we need for us to be able to confirm that hidden bullish is going to come into play? First of all, it needs to break this previous all-time high, right? This previous high here, and then it will need to also break this line I just drew, which is going to become a resistance to the upper side, right? 2 resistances to break. If we break this one, we still have to get above this previous high on the hidden divergence for it to be confirmed, and look for some action to the upside, right? On the 4-hour Tesla again, more or less a similar thing, right? Look, support, right? Well, a little bit less pinpointed, but we can also get that definition by going like this, and bringing the downside. So again, more or less similar things looking at here on the 4-hour and the daily. So a lot of congruencies between the 4-hour and the daily. I like that. I like that when we have that. It just makes it a lot easier when we're looking at the chart. And here on the weekly, again, the support line would be looking like this. There's nothing else to look at for support right now. So not a lot of things to look for support in Tesla. Also, we've never been this high before, right? So we don't have a lot of supports to trace. We cannot fib it. We're trying to gauge more or less where we can try to hold on something. And I believe this that we just drew on daily could give us a good bearing, right? I mean, do we have bearish divergence? We could drop lower still. Could we find some support on this line here? I'm going to draw a quick line. I'm not going to call it support yet, but I'm looking at an idea that I'm going to play with, right? And it could be this one here. Right, support, support, not support there. So 1, 2, and then we could be hitting support again. I don't want to force data onto the chart. I want to remove that one for now. Again, it will be more or less where we have the divergence, and we're trying to hold on to it. With that, that's going to be it for Tesla. Let's move on to CLPS. CLPS insanely pumping today. They had news today. I think there's news for them and to merit the pump. So let's see, dude. I think they made an agreement with the U.S. digital payment platform. That's why they're pumping. That the pre-market was insane, right? Now after market, it is like during market. Sorry, it's just moving down. So watch out for that. It's highly overbought at 95.82. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what's happening here, man. SPY's going crazy. Awesome, dude. In the 4-hour, nothing here. Let's actually go to the 5-minute because that's where we're actually going to find the place here, right? Let's get extended market to show. Again, bearish divergence on extended market, right? Maybe here. Let's get this to show in the 5-minute. I don't want it in the daily or the 4-hour. Right. Yeah, there we go. High to low. High to low, right? So again, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside. That's great. Low, high, some hidden bullish. All right, found to get higher than the previous high. All right, that's continuation of the downside motion. And the bearishness still present, let's say. We have this hidden divergence against the MACD and the RSI, and then that we're trying to get that rally. Nothing bearish, right? High to low, positive, positive, high to low still. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Some strong bullish divergence right now. Or CPLS, that could mean that True Power Hour could be trying to look for a pump, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We're sold at 38.7. And again, just being sold, having bullish divergence could potentially imply that we could be trying to go slightly higher. With that move, we could be aiming for that 20 moving average at 14.35. Can we fib this? I believe we can. We're actually at that point where we have some valid retreat, very valid retreat. I'm going to consider this point here the local low. Maybe if I zoom out, yeah, it's more or less the local low. I'm going to go with this area here. So from here to here, I'm not going to pinpoint it. I just want to get a crude idea as to where we're at. We're bouncing at that 50%, right? We know Dow's theory says that we usually bounce around 50%. So Dow, Charles Dow, creator of the Dow Jones, says that, right? So that's what we're looking for. Again, that's why it's here in the fibs. We broke below at 382 again. Look, we went up to the high, went to that 382, rejected, right? It looked like we were actually going to try to bounce again. We could do small fibs here from high to low to get targets, and we almost retraced over that 786. We did a deep retrace, and now we're tracing farther still. In that 50%, not too bad for CPLS. What else can we do? Well, we could certainly try to drop to that 618, but right now we have that bullish divergence near that support. We would try to look for that bounce. Let's go to the 1 minute. The 1 minute chart. Again, let's see. Do we have something here short term? High, low, positive, positive. High, low, low. Right, nothing here. Well, I'm actually gonna read it. 0.06, 0.06. All right, so it's going sideways. Right, right on, dude. 0.06 and 0.06, right? It's going sideways here on the value, and we are coming lower, right? I mean, here, some strong bullish divergence. Actually, the upside. We're pumping now. We're failing on that, reaching near that 20. So again, not looking that strong. With stocks, again, the closer we get into, the less reliable things become, right? And that's a normal thing. We have strong bullish divergence against the RSI. Now, what are we looking at here in the shorter term still? So from here to here, right? We look negative, less negative. Starting to build that negative momentum island. Again, right now, we could say strong bullish divergence. Oh, we just got a small pop there. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. And again, on stocks, the shorter time scale you go, the less reliable it is, the more volatility you find, right? And you know, the less reliable the technicals analysis come. That's what for stocks you want to look at the, you know, for swing trading and things like that, the 4 hour, the other time scales. And here you want to look at different things, right? Usually on the minute charts, you want to look for resistances, supports, right? Real quick stuff that can tell you whether or not you're going to try to bounce or reject, right? For example, here we have a resistance by going like this. Do we have a support line? Yes, we also have a support line, right? Going like this. So we are in a channel, right? A down-sloping channel. It's very steep. Where can we go? Well, we're going to try to get to that 20 and maybe the top part of the channel again. That would be the target, right? On the bullish divergence. So again, if we were to trade this again on the 1 minute chart, you'd be looking for those quick swings here. Boom, 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 boom. And then a breakout here, maybe a measure move that would get us to that $13.33, which is a 382 fib note, right? That is what we're looking for. Again, on the 1 minute chart, you want to look at different things that we usually look at when we're doing the cryptos and the other stuff, because this is just very, very quick motion. And again, here, again, target potentially up here right now, somewhere around 12.26. And if we break it again, 13.27. But again, you know, we're on a downsloping channel. We can stay on a downsloping channel. And you can play the downsloping channel still, right? By the top of the channel, you sell at the bottom of the channel. And the fact that it's steep, it makes the movement down a little bit more violent. So that's it. That's going to be it for CLPS. Let's go to load and keep on checking this out. Bitcoin all-time high. Let's go check it out again real quick. Bitcoin, 1,707. It did go to all-time high. It got new all-time highs on last candle. That's awesome, dude. It's doing good. Let's get a load, man. Load 76%. Awesome. Gonna bounce. Right. Let's go on the daily real quick to figure out what's happening here. Load, I think, is also bouncing on news. I think from what I read earlier, I think this is the guys that made an investment on like battery recyclers. So I think they're like lithium batteries, and you know, lithium is a hot commodity right now. I know a lot of people that are mining for lithium in Mexico. So we'll see, right? I mean, there's a lot of mining of lithium up in Sonora, actually. I work with some of those companies. There's some bearish divergence, potential for actual downside. We'll see if we're going to get it. We're, you know, we got to all-time highs, and now we're breaking down, right? So again, we could still track that to where we actually are, and still have that bearish divergence for actual downside. However, this will need to anchor to where we actually opened, and that's where we're at. Bearish divergence, actual downside. That's fine. Let's go on to the 5-minute chart. They pumped the news, right? Pre-market. Now we're getting the aftermarket effect, which again, throughout the day, has just been a downhill battle. So 5-minute chart, you're gonna be able to tell this in a second. We have the strong bearish divergence back here for action to the downside. I'll fib it in a second. The fibs would make more sense here than on the daily, right? So we're going from way down here all the way up here. Bearish divergence, action to downside. We're retracing that 618 and we're trying to bounce. We hit that 50 right now. Look at that, beautiful fibs. And now we're rejecting the 50. So we're between fibs. Great. Trade time, man. What's your thoughts on CLPS? I just did CLPS, man. I'll go back to it in a second. I think it's pumping on news. So we have an agreement being signed. But, you know, that's it. It's coming down, right? The news already played. I think it's one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. So pre-market it pumped, post-market it's been going down. It does have some bullish divergence, so I'll go back to it in a second, right? It's one of the main ones that we're doing right now. Five-minute chart. It had some strong bullish divergence direction to the upside again. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. High, low, high, low. Positive, more positive in here. Positive, more positive. We could be looking for some kind of divergence. Let's check. That one's slightly higher, slightly higher. That's fine. We'll live with B, dude. Not gonna call that divergence right now. We might have it on the 1 minute chart. I actually want to go with something there, man. Antonio Vasquez, yo, what's up?
What's up?
Never been here. I'm back. Sorry about that. I think I got disconnected. My TradingView DC'd, I guess. So not TradingView, my OBS. All right, so I'm gonna keep on going here. Again, for some reason my internet went down, a flash crash on the internet. I dropped all the frames for a second, but I'm back. Thank you all for staying with me. Craig Whiting, pew pew pew. Yo, pew pew pew, man. Let's keep rolling again. We are getting on through that resistance, which is fine right now, right? Again, not super worried about it. That's fine. Again, in that 50% coming back down, we might hit that 20 moving average. Let's go to 1 minute. 1 minute chart. There's some bearish divergence. Hey, 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 man. I'll do this here in a second. You asked me about front last night. I'm not sure, man. I don't remember seeing it, but thank you for asking, dude. Again, I do go through a lot of stuff on the stream, right? So sometimes I don't have time to look at everything. Was that a crypto that you were asking for? Front? Again, some strong bearish divergence here. Action to downside. We did have a line here of support that we could call. I mean, where can we look for that line of support? Well, it could certainly be here, right? This could be one way to look at that line of support that we're breaking through. And that's fine. The other way to look at this is if you wanted to get from way down here, and then it'll just make it a little bit steeper. And again, we'll be breaking that line of support, right? So again, breaking it, rejecting the 20, moving lower, right? There we are. Antonio Vasquez. No, it wasn't you, man. It was me. It was on my end. My bad. The internet just crashed. Sometimes you cannot. There's some things that you cannot fix sometimes, and fortunately, ISP and the internet is one of them, right? I hope I don't get that crash happening on the night stream. And low to high, and from here to here. And that lower still, right? So again, good stuff here. Again, some strong bullish divergence. Sorry, not strong, hidden bullish divergence. Fraction to the upside. Let's see if we can materialize into a pump, right? Last night or night before. Awesome, bro. That's great. I'm glad it's working out for you, man. Again, also from here to here, we had that same hidden divergence, right? So from here to here and from here to here. Right, got us to go higher. Again, bearish divergence came into play. Moving us down. Awesome, that's it. That's it for load on the 1 minute. Again, potential fraction to downside. We're going to try to maybe move sideways on this hidden bullish. We'll figure it out, but on the 5 minute, again, it was looking okay. All right, 5 minute had that bullish divergence that's coming into play. Nothing bearish happening right now. Let's figure it out. Let's check out, again, someone said TLPS, right? So we'll recap it again. Riley, what's up? Never been here.
What's up?
TLPS, 5 minute, right? We had, I forgot to anchor stuff here. Is this from the 1 minute? Yeah, I forgot to anchor the 1 minute stuff. That's weird. That is weird. Well, not so weird. Sometimes I do forget to anchor stuff, so. I just learned to deal with it and roll with it. So, yeah. Really, when I'm doing stocks, I'm probably not going to come back to again. I sometimes forget to anchor stuff. There we are, there we are. You know what I have for Bitcoin? I know, dude, we've been talking about that. We're going to go back to it in a second, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative, low, lower still, right? So again, that's fine. We had that bullish divergence in 5 minutes. Potential fraction to the upside. Look, we're holding support. Yeah, the 50%. It looks like we want to move up, right? Like we said, we are gonna have target here at the 382. Let's see if we can get there. And above that area, we have the 20 moving average at 13.74 on the 1 minute. Bullish divergence right when we were live. So again, moving up on that. Great. Getting above that 20. We might try to find that support to pump higher. Good stuff happening here. Let's get on the daily, man. Daily, again, not a lot going on, right? We just did the fibs and that's it. Bitcoin, 51,800. New all-time high right now. Let's go to the Bitcoin 1 hour, man. The Bitcoin 1 hour chart brought to you by something out of ideas. Alright, so I'm gonna go with that data here. 51,000, man. It's going up. It's so insane. 285.96, right? Yeah, I know we're straight down. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Doesn't matter. Where are you seeing 51,900? That's it right now. I'm not sure what exchange you're at, but yeah, it could have gotten there in another exchange, right? It's fine. Different exchanges have different points. Daniel, saludos.
What's up?
Dab, man, right? Cannot dab here on the screen because I don't have that full range of motion where I'm at, but again, that's it, dude. We covered everything in here, man. Bybit is 51,900. That's awesome, dude. TradeView. I'm on TradingView, man. It just hasn't hit it here. It's just like what chart you're looking at. Someone said Bybit. I think this might be my Bybit chart. No, Bitfinex. This is my Bybit chart. Nope. This is my Bybit chart. Bybit. Here we go. All right, 51,900 and 72. Awesome. It's doing good, man. Bitcoin's doing good. Again, I was worried about this bearish divergence that we were looking at yesterday, but guess what? By the time we pumped up here, we got rid of it. Look at that. We shook it off. Now, I'm not gonna remove it right now because I'm gonna leave it there for the night stream. I do keep the calls that we made, and like I said, right, market conditions are extremely bullish. Chances might not play out are there. We're getting rid of it. We shook it off. We no longer have bearish divergence right now. At least not here. We have some bearish divergence starting to develop here, but again, you know, it's starting to develop. It's not really. I'm not sure if it's gonna trigger yet or not. Right? Again, super bullish market conditions, bearish indicators. Lots of chance of playing out. We've been saying that, right? That's why I've been telling you guys that if you're just worried about something happening, just set up a stop loss, right? Right now, we're in the full-on bull market, man. It doesn't care about the bearishness. It's just running through and smashing through the bearishness. Is it there right now? It's there right now. Could it go on building and then negate it? Yeah, it could. Right now, it's there. We just got to acknowledge it for what it is, right? It's there, period, man. Doesn't matter. Oops, Bybit. Too many screens open. Yeah, that's fine, man. I also have too many screens open. That's fine. 52K. Did we wake it here? Did we wake it? 51,892. Not in this one, man, but 52K Bitcoin, dude. Having the chat, man. Have the horn. How many people are here, man? I guess I shouldn't have done a stocks edition. I should have gone with regular edition instead of crypto. And just called it Bitcoin 52K. I probably would have had like 20,000 people come in here to check out what's happening, but it's a stocks version of the state of crypto. I guess we could shift it and then make it a stocks a state of crypto regular edition, I guess, because no one's asking about stocks. Everyone's here for Bitcoin now. Hell, let's do that, man. Let's go here. There we go. That's just a regular set of crypto now. We're going to talk about crypto. Hell, why not? I'm not going to shift stuff because again, most people come at night. So rename the stream. That's it. Sorry, man. I'll do that in a second. I'm renaming the stream. I actually got to change the thumbnail as well. So a lot of things, small things that you have to do when you change something, right? So let's go with that one, man. Just change it. Nikki, steadily climbing. Thoughts on Litecoin? Sure, man. Let's do Litecoin. Why not? Like, no one's really... Don't poke Gavin. He's here, though. Don't poke him. That's fine. I want to move through this stream. I mean, I do appreciate Gavin being here, for reals. But don't poke him right now. My throat's not going to be able to take it by nighttime. It's going to be dying. 52,000, dude. We're right spot on 52,000. 52k Bitcoin, man. That's it. I do believe today we might finally close the first candle on the daily for Bitcoin at about 52k, and that's gonna be bullish. This is beautiful retest, right? Look, get above the DK. That's fine. We're on. But here, where I put the alert, the 21k, we came down, found support, and pumped again. So nice for Bitcoin, man. So, Litecoin. Someone said Litecoin. Let's go check it out. 229.09. Went up 9%. What?
WHU said my name.
WHU instead of who? What the hell, man? Yeah. Legendary, man. They've been here, Gavin. Thank you very much. There you go. One up, dude. I don't want to be. I don't want to do a laughing stream today, man. Not right now. Like, my throat's gonna be so gone by the night. So I just want to do this, man. Yeah, someone was poking you in the chat, but don't listen to them, Gavin. Not right now. Low, high, then low, high. Nothing bearish right now, right? We haven't had anything bearish in Litecoin, and we didn't have anything bullish either. Right? Low, high, negative, plus, negative, low, high. Low, high, negative, plus, negative, low, high. Everything's good here. Moving with Bitcoin, right? Just moving with Bitcoin, hitting that resistance at the 618. Look at that, beautiful, man. We hit it spot on. We actually closed on it, and we rejected it. So that's so nice. You know, that's how we know our fibs are good, man. Our fibs are awesome. It doesn't matter. I'm waiting for a message to come through. It hasn't come through. Firebeard. Huddle, CSE. Well, there he goes.
Twas me.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. There you go. One up, dude. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. It's so cool to have you guys here. Firebeard said, Huddle, CSE. Dude, Firebeard, please tell me, what do you need me to look at? Because, dude, I'm looking at your comment. I'm not sure if you want Huddle or you want me to look at CSE or something. Please clarify. Again, I'm just gonna be here until like for 24 more minutes, right? Again, it's just a quick stream. So Bitcoin, Litecoin doing good. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Again, higher, paddle up, paddle low. Starting to create some bearish divergence here on the 4 hour, right? I'm gonna chart on the orange color because it's not the official time that we do our stream. So keeping it legit for the people that come in at night and they know what we haven't talked about since yesterday night, right? We keep it straight. Strong bearish divergence starting to build. I don't think it's going to trigger if the market goes full-on bull run again with Bitcoin pumping, right? Huddle is the company. All right. I'll look at that in a second, man. Let me finish Litecoin here. And some strong bearish divergence here on the daily starting to develop again. What's that? For Litecoin, right? So Huddle. Good, man. Let's go look at Huddle. Again, potential fraction of downside. Again, if Bitcoin keeps on running, just forget about the divergence, right? We're in an extreme bull market, so. Yo, the false flag. Thanks for being here, man. Thoughts on Green? Sure, man. I'll put Green on the list. I'm not going to be able to do a lot of coins, right? There's things I'm not going to be able to get through, so. Just letting you guys know in advance. It's not a regular stream. I just come in here for an hour. It's usually stocks right now. Bitcoin started to pump, so we just changed it, but that is it, right? Bitcoin, 52,200. Still making all-time highs, dude. Still pushing that bar higher, man. Huddle. It's usually green up there. I changed it. We started with the green and saying that it was a State of Crypto stocks edition. It had to evolve, right? Like evolve or die or something like that. So we evolved into a crypto stream. That's it. Doesn't matter. 53. Do your stock things. Keep an eye on streaming. I know. I just changed it to Bitcoin something, dude. Whatever. We'll see if it keeps on pumping, right? I already changed everything from the stocks to crypto. So we did half stocks, half crypto, I guess. Your cryptos are related to, your stocks are related to crypto stuff. That's awesome, dude. Let's see HODL, dude. What's happening with HODL? Are you hodling HODL? It has some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? The first things I'm noticing. I'm gonna change this back to yellow because this is stock, and we're doing it live on the stocks part of the stream. Not low, right? Forgot to check what was going over to smaller time. Yeah, we want to go on the 4 hour. Here we go. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, starting to flag a little bit, not looking too bad. It pulls up, flagging, consolidating down, sloping, looking good right now, right? We could go for another pump on the flag that we're making, actually. Neutral, sorry, bought at 62.62. Doesn't matter if we're bought right now. Full on bull market. PHB, BTC. That's right, man. That's right. Doesn't matter. You gotta go make some cash. Scare money, don't make money, man. I think that's what's our battle scream last night or whatever we're going with. There was some hidden bullish divergence here for that pump, right? But we have it against the MACD, not against the RSI, right? And against the RSI, we're still going higher, so that's fine. Actually, to the upside, the bearish divergence moving down slightly. That's it here on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Again, stocks. This one doesn't have aftermarket, I guess, so higher. Again, there's some of the same stuff that we're looking at, right? Coming up higher here, going lower, and then after this, we'll move on to the weekly, I guess. Hello, right? Then same stuff that we were looking at on the daily, more or less, right? Some of that hidden divergence, we have it there. We have the dude, even if I go from those islands, it's still at play. So yeah, it's here. It's there. We're seeing it. It's fine. Against MACD and the RSI, that hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside, pumping on that. Coming back down. Can we flip this, dude? I haven't even checked. When did this start? Oh, it has come from a higher point. All right. Something weird happened here with the data. We just had an insane crash. So I'm not familiar with the stock. I'm not sure if this is going to be very valid fibs. We'll go high to low. Maybe something happened. Split or something. It's a weird drop to see here. I'm not even sure if I should consider this high here. But again, 5 bit. I'm not sure if this is good, man. For some reason, it has some missing data on a huge movement down. I'm not sure if they split or did something with the stock, but it's looking weird. Yeah. Did they split? All right. So if they did a split, that's what happened, right? That's what we're seeing, that drop. Usually when they split, the chart auto adjusts. So all right, so let's go. Right, so I'm gonna do some very minor fibs here. I'm not even sure. I kind of want to do this fibs because they're not gonna be as reliable right now. But I'm gonna high to low here and consider this to be the low. And again, we're heading for that 618, coming back down, finding support at the previous 100%. That's it, dude. Right, this, now we have created some support around this area. Again, I cannot use the data from farther back, so that's split apparently. So I'm just going with that line there. Oh, let's go here. Style. We'll make it a straight white line. All right, so some support there, maybe. Abel, dude, if you start spamming, you're very likely gonna get timed out. So I'm just giving you a warning, dude, because you know, this one time it's fine. There's like chat's not going crazy, so. All right, man. I'm not even gonna do it. My hands aren't even anywhere near the mouse, right? If you get timed out, it's gonna be one of the mods, dude. Just telling you, don't need to spam here, man. There you go. You got timed out, man. Sorry about that. No need to come in and like spam the chat, guys. Yeah, no worries, bro. Again, not finding anything else, right? Again, the support line would be this line extended over here. If you wanted to crack that, it would be a long move down. I think you could try to look at this fibs for some support here on Cypher Punk hodling, right? So someone said Grin. Got 15 minutes to go through Grin. Scare money, don't make money, man. He added that guy. He got tool. He got hammered. And have the. I'm gonna love it when they come in huge waves. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lot more mods by then to hammer them. The whatever. Turkish bots. Yeah, again. That's good, man. I mean, growth is good. It comes with the, with some challenges, but it's fine. It's fun. I like it. Again, here, dude. Again, I don't want to be bearish, but like a lot of these things have this bearish divergence, right? Yeah, it's there, man. I mean, I cannot avoid looking at it, right? Look, low to high, high to low, high to low. It's there, man. It's a textbook bearish divergence. I even have it in resources in the chat, and where's my resources here? We have it here in the resources, right? Look, we go high, higher, high to low, strong, bearish divergence. Like, I'm not making this stuff up, right? It's stuff that's legit, so it's something you guys gotta consider, right? So again, bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Is it there? Yeah. Where can you go? The 20 will be the primary target. We might find some support here, I think, on this asset, 5.44. I'm actually gonna zoom out. Yeah, it could be an area, right, that we might have some support around this zone. Not liking it where it's at. Actually, I would love to see it somewhere, maybe around here, right? Maybe around this area, could be, right? Resistant support, resistance, right? Some kind of support here, flirting with that area. So maybe here at 496, we could have some support. Other support that we could be looking at here will be something like this, right? So again, on a movement down, it's right by the 20 right now, but this could be a support that we could look at for this, right?
Jaws hammer go pew 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 pew.
Yo, Jow, what's up? Did Martin get away with red? I misplay Martin. No, it's all good, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. There you go. One update. This is a quick version, dude. This is a quick edition, man. I just come into the stocks right now, but since since it's going higher, since Bitcoin started to go higher, I just switched from a stocks edition into a regular edition, I guess. Now we're looking at crypto and crypto-related stuff, so it's good, man. Yeah, Gavin is back, man. Yeah, you started it. Doesn't matter. You poked the bear, and now my voice is gonna pay the price. Yeah, no, it's already too much data. Whatever, man. I gotta keep on going and deleting more stuff every time, so. Again, Grin, right? It does have that support. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low, high, nothing bullish right now. Let's go on the 4 hours, see what we have here on Green. Oh, this one does have aftermarket. Ew, extended hours. Let's get rid of them here for the analysis. Right, same stuff, right? More or less the same stuff. There is some bearish divergence here. Potential action to downside, right? And that's what I'm looking at. That's like, I don't want to be, like I said, I don't want to be bearish, but that's the first things that are popping up here on this chart. So it could be, we could be looking for some action to downside. But again, if this is crypto related, it might pump with Bitcoin and die with Bitcoin, right? So it's a little bit bearish right now. You leave me alone this stream. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate your support, man, by preserving my voice for the night stream. It's cool, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. We're bought at 62.55. That's it for Green, man. Again, we could go on the weekly. We could try to find stuff there. Again, here, not a lot of volume, right? Look at that. So many dojis with very nothing that's happening on the 4 hour. It just means that it's more or less dead. It's moving on something else, right? Let's go on the weekly. On the weekly, we can see a little bit more of that motion that we want to see, right? Low, low. All right, so there was some strong bullish divergence here on the weekly, and I kind of like that, right? It means action to the upside. Can we fib it? Yeah, I can try to fib this on the weekly. I think we might be making a valid retrace of sorts. We'll see in a second, dude. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get through PHP, man. Someone requested that. I have like 10 minutes. I might be able to get through PHP. We'll see. I do want to go back to Bitcoin. Had a low. High is slightly higher high. All right, some bearish divergence here, hidden. Bearish divergence of the hidden kind. Potential fraction downside. Start move down in this week. That's fine. Target would be a 20. Let's fib this sucker. See if we can do it. Hello. From around here to here. I'll pinpoint it in a second. I gotta move the chart a little bit more. I wasn't getting a clear view here. Close enough. Close enough. All right. There we go. We are making a valid retrace. We're hitting that 236. Great. And we're rejecting it. Oh no. We had divergence when we got to it. So yeah. Potential for moving down. 20 would be the primary target. That 20 sitting at $4.38. Right now sitting at $5.58 for this asset. So green, that's it. We did it the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. Again, it is a trading, it's a holding company, so that's good. Some support again. It does have some bullishness on the other time scales. It's good. There's some stuff doubled here from the 4 hours, so I'll just anchor it here again. This, and this, right? Oh no, here we go. Right, so someone said PHP, whatever, man. Yeah, no worries, Filippo. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, some subs. Show them love. Let's go to PHP. To Bitcoin. Right, that was a request, so we'll oblige you. You know that.
The dude abides.
It abides, right? Let's do it. Right, so a lot of choppiness. It's because it's moving between sats. Right now, it's sitting at 17 sats. So it's not even that high. It's creating strong bearish divergence against the RSI and the MACD onto accounts, right? Well, the main one would be here. The main hit that I'll be looking at here on the daily. Look at this. Also, right, high to low. And then also here on the short term, right? From here to here. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to put a lot of data. Chart's already bugging me that I have too much data open. But again, from here to here. We're sitting at neutral. No, are we neutral? Yeah, neutral, 59.89. Again, support line would be here, right, for this. We'll break this line. We're quibbling for that bearish divergence to trigger. Maybe look for a farther move to the downside. Let's switch this back to blue. That's going to be it for this in the daily. From here to here, we could have looked at some bullish divergence, right? So even from here to here, right? We're coming down lower. Yeah, I mean, it was just dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping non-stop, right? So we can go from here to here for some strong bullish divergence. Section to the upside, getting that pop. Even here in the short term, look at hot, negative, less negative, right? So from here to here, some strong bullish divergence. Fraction to the upside, and again, it's fine. It's getting its pop. It's doing its thing. I'm gonna consider this the high, right? And local high for this, and go look from high to low. Are we making a valid retrace? I think we might be. Yeah. Got very close to that 382, pushing back down below the 236 again. I want to count out the bearish divergence, right? That's it. I mean, let's go to the 4 hour. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, high. Nothing bearish here. Hitting bullish, proud to rally, hit the 20, rejection. Can we drop more and still have it? Yeah, we can still drop more and have it, right? That's the finicky thing about hidden divergence. That's the only thing it has. Let's go to 1 hour. Right. Again, this, when they're worth so little against Bitcoin, this chart is just like ridiculous to do sometimes. I mean, not that I don't like them. It's just that it's so blocky that is it really... I mean, I know that every set counts more here on a pump and a dump, right? So, but you know, it just gets to that point that, like, is it really worth doing analysis on this? Because like, we're moving flat, right? We're just moving in blocks. So it just gets to be a little bit, first of all, it's hard to check out because, you know, we get a lot of false read, but you know, this is not the best. Anyways, bearish divergence, medium action to downside, move down there. Let's find low, lower, negative, low, lower here on the RSI, and then here, dude, is just where it gets like really, really weird, man, right? Because make these larger, sideways motion, and we might also have sideways motion up there, man. And you know, it's just like that's when things become not reliable. So no, we do have some weak bullish divergence, right? Look, yeah, to here. That we pumped. That's it. I mean, here we're moving sideways. We're moving down on that. MACD is like it's not the best for charting, right? Like it doesn't provide us the best charts to look at stuff. So again, some strong, some medium bearish divergence, potential fracture downside still there. We might negate it. We might pump on the next one. You know, it's just a weird chart to look at. AD, what's up? Thanks for being here, man. 6 more minutes to go. 6 more minutes to go. Oh, there's an extra track gonna play. There we go. So we have 6 minutes. We're gonna go back to Bitcoin and look at it. And look at its beauty. It did get 52,385. There we go. By the way, Soka's spotting me right now as I do stocks because he helps me look for stuff when I'm on the air. What do you say, Soka? I didn't hear it. Guys, I'm about to go off the air. I think Tom Crown is going to go live right now. I have 5 more minutes to go. Thank you guys for joining me here. Go raid Tom Crown. Do me a solid. If you like analysis, you like technical analysis, go check out Tom Crown's channel. About to go live. Go give him some love, some support. Again, I know this is not the main state of crypto when you have the most people at, but please go to his channel. Hit that sub. Hit that like for him. Go watch his stream. He's probably going to be talking about Bitcoin as it's pumping. I'm going to go there in a second to check out what he's going to say and show some support as well. Thank you guys for being here. I'm about to sign off here in like 4 more minutes, right? I'll actually just sign off. It's been about an hour. Not a lot of talk about stocks. I mean, we had a low Momo day right now for stocks, so they're really not moving a lot. That's it. Again, guys, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button on the sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description. Also, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome channel. Help us by bringing more awareness to it. That is awesome. Again, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Again, it's just ideas that we're discussing. On that note, I'll catch you again tomorrow, or tonight, actually, for the main edition of the State of Crypto. I'll see you guys there. Later.